The ACLU taking their fight for abortion rights to the Franklin County Court of Common Pleas.
Making an unnecessary trip to the clinic, unnecessarily delaying time-sensitive care, and receiving irrelevant and often stigmatizing information.
We can't just assume that these patients come into the clinic knowing exactly what is going to happen, what this procedure entails, and the risks and the rewards attendant this procedure.
For those seeking an abortion, current law requires a 24-hour wait period. They're also required to take a second clinic visit and mandated to seek counseling beforehand. Abortion advocates say that this law, which went into effect in 2023, is simply a delay to proper health care.
In November of 2023, when Ohioans passed the Reproductive Freedom Amendment, they sent a really clear message to the state that we want government out of our private health care decisions. And we're just trying to carry out the promise of that amendment today.
The state AG says that the waiting period is not a burden and actually helps the patient to be well informed before making a decision.
The state is not trying to stop or prevent or discriminate or harm anyone's ability to actually be able to procure a pre-viability abortion.
Both the state AG and Governor DeWine are for keeping the waiting period in place. The fight is intense on both sides of this issue.
For purposes of the preliminary injunction motion, it should not issue. It will not preserve the status quo. And these are safety features for women to make sure that they're getting proper care, informed consent, and their decision is voluntary.
That is not what the amendment says. The amendment is very protective and clear in keeping the government out of individuals' health care decisions.
If a preliminary injunction is granted, the law would be blocked and cannot be enforced. The ACLU says that if this does happen, that an appeals process will most likely be the next step, and that will end at the Ohio Supreme Court. On your side, the Franklin County Court of Common Pleas, Nick Veland, ABC6 News.